except for the places where nature's own magic unfolds. Your home is supposed to be the most serene place in the world. That means calm, soothing, clean, organized, and welcoming. But life is busy. You spend a couple of hours during the weekend to get your home clean and organized, which remains like that for few days, but soon your home is cluttered again. So it's up to you how you want your home to be.
Like any other important thing, let there be some time for your home as well. Hello everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about some amazing home hacks which will help you in achieving the same. So let's get started.
In my last couple of videos, I've shared 3 different ideas to cover your doors and windows. But somehow I still get many comments regarding what if we don't have to spend a lot to have these doors and windows covered. So finally, here I am with one such solution to treat your windows, doors, and area left behind your window AC. All you need is a brown paper or any paper of your choice. Measure the area where you want to put this on. Cut the paper accordingly. And if paper is a little small, then you can fix the two paper together. Now, we have to make these zigzag folds all the way to the top. Once when you are done, just use a double-sided tape. But remember that you have to use a very thin double-sided tape like this. For this, you will find the link below in the description box. Just fix it on the space where you want to cover it. If in case you want to adjust the height, just roll it up and use these paper pins so that they can hold it nicely. And voila, your DIY blinds are ready. You have covered the area and that too without spending a lot of money. But when you're using these DIY blinds, make sure that the paper which you're choosing should be thick enough that it should stay at one place. Now, this is also one of the most requested videos on how to fold fitted bed sheets. So I'm going to show you what I do and it's very simple. Just take the bed sheet and flip it on the back side. Now here you can see the first two corners of your bed sheet. All you have to do is to slide your hands into these first two corners and then reach all the way to the top. And again, slide your hands into the other corners of your bed sheet. Once when you do, the bedsheet will flip on the top side. Then nicely lay it flat on the surface, and here you can see the 3 curved sides of the bedsheet. Just fold them inside and even out all the wrinkles. A rectangle is formed. Now fold it in half and make it a trifold. Nicely fold the pillow covers, keep it at one side and try to make a square by trifolding it. Very simple. The bedsheet is converted into a small square which can be very easily managed and you can nicely keep it inside your cabinets. How you usually fold your t-shirts after laundry. This conventional way is time consuming and also the boring one. I don't know how I forget to tell you about this hack which I have been using for the last 8 to 9 years. For the very first time, I saw it on Pinterest and I loved it so much that I started using it every day. To fold it, lay your t-shirt flat on the surface, even out if you see any wrinkles. Now here for your better understanding, I am putting 3 points on the shirt numbered in the order. You have to follow the way I am joining the 3 points. First, hold it from point 1 and 2 in this way, and from point 1, take a semicircle towards the point number 3, lift it in this way and put it on the flat surface. Now here you can see there is this side left to fold. Just put it inside and we are done. It will only take 5 to 6 seconds. Initially it might look difficult, but believe me, once you start doing it, it will not take much time and you can finish your folding work quite fast. Everyone likes to have a beautiful and aromatic home. Now I'm gonna give you a very good idea for flower arrangement, especially for the vase with the broad mouth. When you put the sticks in it, it's scattered and won't stay standing, which makes the whole arrangement look bad. Just fill the water in the base if in case you're using the real flowers. Now you can use these potato or onion mash bags. Just put it on the mouth and secure it nicely with a rubber band so that this mash will stay in one place. Now start arranging the sticks into the holes which you are seeing on the mash. No matter you're using the real or the artificial flowers, this hack will work perfectly fine for both of them. This will make them stand out, and once you have nicely covered it with the flowers, the mash won't be visible. Cut the extra mash with the help of a blade or with the pair of scissors. Keep it in the dining space or on your coffee table. No matter how many times you shift the base from here to there, the flower arrangement will stand out beautiful. The dashboards of your car become very dusty, and if you notice, it's so busy in modern cars that if you clean it using a cloth, it won't clean the dust particles from here. Vacuuming is not an everyday job, so the trick is to keep one small box of kid slime ready. It can be easily available in any shop or buy it online. Use it to pick all the dust particles from your dashboard. It can easily go into the deeper areas like these and can easily pick all the dirt from there. It is so convenient, easy to use, and won't take much of your time. Your hands will also not get dirty like the way it happens when you use cloth for dusting. Now here comes one additional tip. Just take any essential oil of your choice, spray it on the slime, and the essential oil which we have just added give a nice fragrance inside your car every time you open the slime box for cleaning. If somehow you ran out of tap or faucet cleaner, or if you don't have anything near to you for cleaning, then you can always use toothpaste. Just take a little bit of it and put it all over the tap. Nicely apply a layer of it and wait for a minute or so. After that, you can take a wet scrubber and scrub it all over the tap. Clean it with normal tap water and your taps will all be shiny again and they will look all new. Some easy and handy ways for cleaning around your home. What happens is usually you put the garbage bag on the dustbin, and when you throw the garbage, the bag just displaces from its position and you have to keep on adjusting it the whole day. So recently I got this dustbin from store 99, which comes with one very nice feature and I really liked it a lot. It has this rim on the top which holds the garbage bag in place. Just hold this rim and put the garbage bag on the dustbin. Once you nicely fit it, put the rim back on the garbage bag. This rim will hold the garbage bag at one place, and no matter at what distance you're throwing your garbage, this bag will not displace from its position. One of the best finds from store 99, and I'll try to find a similar one online. If you can visit a store near you, please check it and give it a try. If you love to decorate your homes, and most likely books are part of it, or if in general you like to keep books in your study or in your bedroom, then it's good to try to make it look beautiful also. Bookends not only hold the book in place, but it also makes the whole arrangement look nice. But they come very costly, so let's try an easy and budget friendly way. Use napkin holders, which I'm sure most of you already have at your place. Use it as a bookend. Now, when you keep it on the shelf, make sure that you're keeping a little bit on the inner side so that it won't be visible. Keep the front book in the napkin holder. It will support the rest of the books and style will also be added. Now we are just about to enter into the monsoon, and this season is all about moisture. So if you are also afraid of that bad smell inside your closet, then you can use these DIY moisture bags. Just take a cotton cloth or a cotton bag. Put some rice, cinnamon sticks, and cloves in it. Tie it up, and you have your DIY moisture bags ready. Just throw them inside your closet at the back of your clothes to avoid that smell and moisture. Rice will help to absorb the moisture, and cinnamon and cloves will smell nice and discourage the moths. A very budget friendly way to avoid moisture inside your closet.
This is all for today's video, and I really hope you are going to find all these home hacks useful. If you like today's video, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care, and bye bye.